Hi everyone and welcome back. Let's have a look at this interesting light strip from ELGATO. This light strip isn't new, and there are tons of reviews online of this. So this will be a short review of this strip. I was looking to change my old generic light strip because I use it as an ambient light while shooting some footage here on the channel, and it was flickering in my footage. So looking for something similar, the ELGATO Light Strip was the right choice. This strip has a high PWM, so shouldn't be any flicker in the video recordings. Alright guys, while opening the box, let me go through some specs here. This strip has a brightness up to 2000 lumens, a color range from 3500 to 6500K. It supports 2.5 GHz encrypted Wi-Fi connection. The length of the strip is around 2 meters, but you can cut it at certain points if you need it shorter. Inside the box, included with the strip, there is the controller, the power supply, and the Tesa adhesive strip in case you want to attach the controller somewhere under your desk or everywhere else. Alright guys, before going ahead with the setup and installation, I want to say that this isn't a sponsored video. I did pay for the strip, so I would really appreciate if you hit that like button in case you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. It will help grow the channel and allow me to bring more content like this. Thank you so much. Now, moving on with the installation. It has nothing special, just remove the tape and we can attach it whenever surface we want. In my case, it's the part facing the wall of the desk. Once connected to the controller and then powered on, you can set up and connect the strip in two different ways, using your mobile or from your PC or Mac. In the first case, you have to download and install the Control Center app from your App Store and start pairing following the on-screen instructions. It takes about 2 minutes to finish the setup. After that, it is possible to change the color, the intensity and the setup preset and turn it off, the strip and so on. If you want to control the strip from a PC or a Mac, we should download the app Control Center from ELGATO's website. I will leave the link down in the description. Also here the setup is easy and relatively fast. Might require 5 minutes or more in case there is a firmware update. The PC Mac app is almost identical to the mobile app with the same settings. There are some small differences, but still. A couple of things to keep in mind when you set up everything. If you want to control everything from your mobile, the strip sometimes will disappear from the PC app and vice versa. I have the last app version and firmware, so I believe this is a software bug or something like that. I've also noticed that the firmware will update only if you set up the strip through the PC app instead of the mobile app. This is something strange. You must be connected to the same Wi-Fi, or better say, in the same Wi-Fi you set up it the first time to control the strip. So if you connect to another Wi-Fi, you are not going to be able to reach the strip and to control it. The Wi-Fi should be a 2.4 GHz and password protected. Now, if you have the Stream Deck and want to use the strip while streaming or in similar scenarios, then you must use the Control Center app on your PC. Speaking about the Stream Deck integration, everything is easy and simple and you can customize it in a few minutes with all the settings you prefer the most. Once you customize the Stream Deck with what you prefer, then you can control the strip from there. I have set up a few commands here, but you can go crazy with a lot of customizations if you wish. Now, if you want to use the strip with a Stream Deck, but in the meantime be able to control it from the mobile, then you might want to download and set up the Stream Deck mobile, which you have to pay a subscription, so that depends on your needs if you want to do that or not. That's all for this short review and tips on the ELGATO Light Strip. Here is what I liked. I have to say that compared with my generic light strip, the ELGATO strip being an RGB WW strip is bright, not only in the white standard LEDs but also in the colors. The setup is relatively easy and fast, and you can use it from your mobile, iOS or Android, and your PC or Mac. Once I set up the strip with the Wi-Fi, I didn't notice any connectivity issue or disconnection. The integration with the Stream Deck is well done and easy to set up and use. A huge bonus, at least to me, might be useful also for someone else too, is the flicker-free modulation. ELGATO has done a nice implementation here, so theoretically we are not going to see any more annoying flickering on shootings if you use the strip for that purpose. What I didn't like. Once you set up the strip on the mobile and in the PC control center, you might notice that it randomly disappears, which is a little bit strange to me. Sure, there are some technical reasons or troubleshooting, but still, The firmware update happens only if you set up the strip in the PC Control Center and not into the mobile app. So, if you want to use it only with your mobile, then you cannot update the firmware, which isn't exactly a smart move for a smart light strip. In the app, there are no scenes, music sync or color shift or similar, which doesn't make sense at all because certainly the strip can manage to do that, but isn't implemented, which I find to be so unusual. The app for my previous strip, less famous than Elgato, was having that function. So this is something, I don't know, probably there are reasons, but anyway, for the price of $59.99, that is something you should expect to be there. Despite all this, I can overall recommend it if you are looking for a good and bright strip, flicker-free and well integrated in the Stream Deck. That's all for this short review of the Elgato Light Strip. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, I would appreciate if you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.